Hi Diana, this is my video just giving you some feedback on your unit. First I wanted to start with the lesson 1 and I wanted to scroll down to where you had your driving question. I love how you made this stand out more, really showing that this here is what's really important. And then I also really loved your rubric down here and how you have it embedded. It's just really clear what your expectations are for this PBL. Second, if I go to lesson 2, I noticed that you're using BrainPop for your second source here, which I absolutely love, and I know that the kids love, but I know when you click on this, you will need to log in. So maybe if you just included some sort of username and password on your site there, or if you didn't want to give that information on the site, just make a little note like where you might post it in your classroom, or just how they get that information if they need that. On lesson 3, when I scroll down to where you're teaching about the Harriet Tubman, it says read this article and watch the video included, but I don't see a video here. So I was just a little confused as to which video you were talking there, that you were talking about there. I know you have one down here, so just a little bit more clarification there, or if you just forgot to insert it, that's a really quick fix there. Also, on lesson 4, I loved how you used SafeShare. I think that this is a really great tool for the kids because it doesn't show them anything on YouTube that they shouldn't really be watching. So I love that you used that tool. It's really easy to use as well. And when I scroll down, at the bottom of every lesson for the first PBL, you're always hyperlinking that organizer, and that's making it really, really easy to navigate. I don't really have to go anywhere else. It's always right there for me to click on. So I love how you always hyperlinked that at the bottom of each of your lesson pages. When I go to lesson 5, looking at task 1, I was thinking if you could hyperlink, it says answer the question on the Google Classroom. If you could hyperlink, that way I could click to go right to that question to answer it. It would just make it a little bit easier to navigate. And I was thinking that same thought on lesson 9 on your task 1. It also is saying to go to Google Classroom to complete the prompts. So if you just real quick add in that hyperlink, it makes it just a little bit easier to go and submit those tasks. Also on lesson 7, I was really looking at your interactive image here. This is super, super cool. I tried to use ThingLink before and I couldn't figure out how to share it with my kids. So I would love to hear how you shared that. I definitely want to click all around, and I was actually like playing with this and learning a lot about this ship myself. So if I was having fun doing this, I know that the kids will too. So really great job on your interactive image. My last feedback, lesson 8, when I scroll down to the Jamboard, when I click on the link, it takes me here and it says, sorry, I'm unable to open it. So maybe just check that that link is correct. It might be something with my computer, I'm not sure, but I am logged into my drive, so the students might have trouble accessing that link as well. And then finally, at the end, I love where they submit and that they're done, but you have this Google form here and it's like a reflection. And I know that I kind of always skip over that myself. And so I love that that's there. So the kids are definitely going to do it and really have that reflection time, which is really, really important. So overall, nice job. Loved both of the PBLs. And that's my feedback for you. Thank you.